Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Antony, and in today's video, I am going to reorganise my whole wardrobe. This is something that I've wanted to do for a while now. I love cleaning, I love organisation, and I think this is a really good little project while I'm off this week. And if you watched my last video, I'm sure you've seen that I did a huge ASOS haul. If you haven't seen that, go and watch it here. But before we get started organising that massive wardrobe, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help my channel to grow, and I really appreciate it. Please also leave a comment. Okay, so different angle. This is my wardrobe. As you can see, it is a bit of a mess. There's stuff everywhere. It needs a good clean out, it needs a good sorting, and it just really needs organisation and tidying. So this side is mainly all of my t-shirts, shirts, and kind of sweaters. And then underneath that, I've got all of my trousers, all of my jogging bottoms, and more formal trousers as well. From there, I have a bit of a vanity area. So I've got hairspray, shaving gel. And then in these drawers, this one's socks and underwear, which you don't really need to do that. This is the biggest messy drawer ever. This is all just miscellaneous kind of t-shirts, kind of sports shorts and sportswear that I'd wear on the weekend and all of that sort of stuff. And then this is kind of like important documents and things like that, and some extra wires and bits. It's a bit of a odd drawer, that one is. And then finally at the bottom, I've got my straighteners, and I've also got my hairdryer, and then a couple more documents as well. So on this side, you've got all of my coats here, and this isn't all of them, this is just some of them, because they're actually piled on top of each other, and I actually like hanging it that way because rather than rotating my wardrobe, I just rotate my coats. Anyway, going on from there, I've got all of my shoes and trainers all here. I've actually got more shoes than this. I've got some stored in a secret shelving space that I'll show you in a minute. And then I've also got all of my jumpers and my towels. And then in this drawer, this is again miscellaneous stuff, old bits of cosmetic and things that just need a really good clear out. And then I've got two washing baskets, and then I've just got some hats and a lint roller here. And then for my secret shelving space, I made this from an IKEA shelving space, and then got casters and put them on the bottom. And it's basically where I put all, because I love books, I put all my books there. I don't really buy new books anymore that often because I usually just download them. And then I've got like 4 or 5 different pairs of shoes there. I've got a TRX machine and an ab wheel, and then a little money box and all of that sort of stuff. So this shelving will probably stay the same. And just to make the whole process just a little bit easier, I do have a spare rail here. So anything that I am going to be keeping is going to go on this rail. Okay, let's get started. So this is my Beams jumper. I absolutely love it. I got it from Japan from the shop Beams, and it was really cheap, but I just thought, oh, it was really cool. Love the colour combination, so I'm going to keep that. Oh my god, this is my mermaid's tail. My partner got it for me for my birthday. I'm going to try it on for you now. Okay, so that is the top of my wardrobe sorted. I've gotten rid of quite a bit. I mean, all of these are full. I mean, I do have a lot of clothes from ASOS to fill them up with. Okay everyone, so I've just dusted and cleaned all the inside. It was so dusty. I thought wardrobes were meant to keep your clothes free from dust. I'm gonna start pulling all of this stuff back in there and see how much space I've actually saved. Oh my god, will you look at the amount of space that I've saved? That's nearly half my wardrobe gone. Okay, let's get started on this side. This was something that I got from Japan. It's a traditional Japanese nightgown, so I'm gonna keep this so I can wear it in the evenings into bed. God. So this was a present that my partner got for me. Ugg platform slippers. I've never worn them. I assume they're super comfortable, so I'll keep these and decide what to do with them. Oh my god, my Mickey Mouse ears. I absolutely love these. Me and my partner went to LA and we got them from Disneyland, and yeah, super nice. Okay, so that is everything done for this side. I just dusted off camera as well, and now I'm going to start putting everything back in. Perfect. And look at all that space I've saved getting rid of that. So this is going to be for my new ASOS jumpers. Okay, so that is everything in the wardrobes, and I've kind of sorted all the stuff out on the floor as well and just taken all that out, so I've got a bit more space to work with. Now I need to go through each and every drawer to organise them. Hopefully that won't take too long. We'll see how that goes. I know really there isn't like a massive transformation. Rather than aesthetics, it's more about how it works for me in my life. Okay, so now that I've sorted out the clothing drawers, I'm going to leave all the documentation drawers for tonight. I'm not going to record that because there's a lot of sensitive information in there, but it will get sorted tonight. I'm going to pull out all the ASOS clothes that I got yesterday, and well, to you it'll be like a couple of weeks ago, but yeah, it was yesterday to me, and I'm going to put everything that I'm keeping into my wardrobe. So let's get going. Okay, so that is my wardrobe fully organised and sorted out. So I've got rid of quite a lot of clothing, I've got rid of a lot of coats, they're all going to charity. I still want to get some more t-shirts and stuff, but I want more branded stuff. I've seen some Calvin Klein things that I want. Ooh, ice cream bun. I want to get some more branded logo tees. I want to get some more shackets and things like that, but just newer, fresher stuff. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click that beautiful red subscribe button down below. Please also leave a comment. Let me know if you like this video, if you want to see more organisation videos like this. Please also check out my Etsy shop where you can help support this channel and buy CADs and vectors for your everyday design life. Alright, okay, thanks for watching. Alright, bye. Tra tra tra. Bye.